Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. As we all know, maintaining a healthy diet can be a challenge, especially when it comes to finding delicious and nutritious alternatives to our favorite high-calorie foods. So today we'll be counting down the top 10 low-calorie foods that can help you reach your weight loss goals while still satisfying your cravings. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on weight loss and healthy living. By subscribing, you'll never miss a video and be sure to stay on track with your weight loss goals. Number 10. Baked sweet potatoes instead of French fries. Sweet potatoes are a great alternative to French fries as they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. A medium-sized sweet potato contains around 103 calories, while a serving of French fries can contain anywhere from 300 to 500 calories. By switching to baked sweet potatoes, you can enjoy the satisfying crunch and sweet taste of fries without the added calories. Number 9. Kale chips instead of potato chips. Kale chips are a crunchy and nutritious alternative to potato chips. A 1-ounce serving of kale chips contains around 50 calories, while the same serving size of potato chips can contain around 150 calories. Kale chips are a great way to get your daily dose of greens while satisfying your snack cravings. Number 8. Almond milk instead of heavy cream. Almond milk is a versatile and low-calorie alternative to heavy cream. Almond milk contains around 30 calories per cup, while heavy cream contains over 400 calories in the same serving size. Almond milk can be used in smoothies, coffee, and cooking, making it a great addition to any healthy diet. Number 7. Bell pepper slices instead of sandwich bread. Bell pepper slices are a low-calorie alternative to sandwich bread that can be used for burgers, sandwiches, and tacos. A bell pepper contains around 30 calories, while 2 slices of sandwich bread can contain over 140 calories. This simple swap can help you reduce your calorie intake and make your meals more nutritious. Number 6. Cucumber slices instead of crackers. Cucumber slices are a crisp and refreshing alternative to crackers. A medium-sized cucumber contains around 45 calories, while a serving of crackers can contain around 150 calories. Cucumber slices can be used as a base for your favorite dips or spreads, making them a great choice for a healthy snack. Number 5. Broccoli instead of potatoes. Broccoli is a nutritious and low-calorie alternative to potatoes. A 1-cup serving of cooked broccoli contains around 55 calories, while a 1-cup serving of boiled potatoes contains around 130 calories. Broccoli can be roasted, steamed, or stir-fried, making it a versatile and healthy addition to any meal. Number 4. Light hummus instead of guacamole. Light hummus is a low-calorie alternative to guacamole that is packed with protein and fiber. A 2-tablespoon serving of light hummus contains around 40 calories, while the same serving size of guacamole can contain over 200 calories. Light hummus can be used as a spread, dip, or dressing, making it a versatile and nutritious choice. Number 3. Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Greek yogurt is a low-calorie alternative to sour cream that is packed with protein and calcium. A 1-cup serving of Greek yogurt contains around 130 calories, while the same serving size of sour cream contains over 400 calories. Greek yogurt can be used in dips, smoothies, and baking, making it a great addition to any healthy diet. Number 2. Cauliflower rice instead of white rice. Cauliflower rice is a low-calorie alternative to white rice that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. A 1-cup serving of cauliflower rice contains around 25 calories, while the same serving size of white rice contains around 200 calories. Cauliflower rice can be used as a base for stir-fries, salads, and casseroles, making it a versatile and nutritious option. Number 1. Zucchini noodles instead of pasta. Zucchini noodles, or Zoodles, are a low-calorie alternative to pasta that is packed with vitamins and fiber. A 1-cup serving of zucchini noodles contains around 25 calories, while the same serving size of pasta can contain around 200 calories. Zucchini noodles can be used in soups, stir-fries, and pasta dishes, making them a delicious and nutritious alternative to pasta. So there you have it. The top 10 low-calorie foods that can help you reach your weight loss goals while still satisfying your cravings. Whether you're looking to reduce your calorie intake, add more nutrients to your diet, or simply make healthier food choices, these low-calorie food replacements are a great place to start. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more great videos like this one. Until next time.